How to see who viewed your Instagram note. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to see who viewed your Instagram note. First of all, we need to see whether anyone can view their own Instagram note viewership. So let's come to the Chrome browser, and over here I have searched whether I can see who have viewed my Instagram note or not. So it says that you cannot see who has viewed your Instagram note because it is private feature and Instagram does not provide a way to track viewers on that. So you can, however, see who has liked or replied to your note. To see like or replies, tap to your notes and see the replies, and there will be a list where you will be able to see all the replies. Now just open your Instagram again, and over here I'm going to click on the DM section right here, and as you can see this note section on the top where I have posted this particular note right here, and there is no such option to see who have viewed my Instagram note. There are only two options. The one is leave a new note and another one is delete note. There is no such option to see who has viewed your notes. So yeah, there is no such way where you can see who has viewed your Instagram note. I hope you find this content informative.